6 international passengers arriving from at-risk countries, which include those that have confirmed cases of highly transmissible Omicron strain, have tested COVID positive, the Maharashtra Health Department said Wednesday morning. All 6 are either asymptomatic or mildly symptomatic, and their samples have been sent for genome sequencing, the health department said. Contact tracing for all 6 passengers is underway. 3 of the 6 have been traced to the Mumbai, Kalyan Dombivli, and Mira Bhayandar areas, with the 4th traced to Pune. 2 others, arrival from Nigeria, have been traced to Pimpri Chinchwad. Moving on to the next news, the Maharashtra government on Tuesday said that all international passengers arriving from at-risk countries will have to undergo a mandatory 7-day institutional quarantine. Sources at Mumbai airport say that the order to place passengers into compulsory isolation facilities will be implemented immediately. Travelers will be required to pay for the quarantine at designated hotels, a source added. The order may cause confusion at state airports as many passengers are mid-air on the way to the state and would possibly be unaware of mandatory institutional quarantine rules and the hotel charges they would be required to pay. Moving on to the next news, Union Minister Prahlad Joshi invited Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for debate over bills tabled in Parliament. He said that discussion should be held in Parliament. He said if suspended Rajya Sabha MPs want to participate, they should apologize. I urged them to express remorse. We also want a debate, he said. I am requesting the opposition leaders with folded hands to come to the House and participate in the debate, he further added. Moving on to the next news, the coastal areas of Odisha and the northern parts of Andhra Pradesh are likely to be lashed by a cyclonic storm on December 4 due to a depression caused by a low pressure area moving west-northwestwards from the Andaman Sea. Heavy rain has also been forecast for the coastal areas of Bengal. A low pressure area over central parts of the Andaman Sea is likely to move west-northwestwards and concentrate into a depression by December 2 and further intensify into a cyclonic storm over the central Bay of Bengal during the subsequent 24 hours, the Indian Meteorological Department said. It added, it is likely to intensify further and reach North Andhra Pradesh and Odisha coast by the morning of December 4. Moving on to the next news, 2 terrorists were killed in an encounter between the security forces and terrorists on Wednesday. The identity of the duo is being ascertained, Jammu and Kashmir police said. The operation is still underway. According to initial reports, the 2 terrorists belong to proscribed terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed. The encounter between militants and security forces in Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama district during the early hours on Wednesday. An encounter has started at Kwasbayar area of Pulwama, a police spokesman said, news agency PTI reported.